So first you get orbit number, then L is equal to NH by 2 pi. So we want 2 pi L by NH. Then 2 pi by L by H will be is equal to L is equal to 5H by 2 pi. Therefore 2 pi into L by H will be 5. So answer is 5, option 2. Both of them, the radii of the orbits are nearly same. And radius formula is what? R0 n square by z. Kinetic energy of, that is, alpha particle stops for a moment and then retraces. So at distance of closest approach, alpha particle stops for a moment and it is reaching maximum close to nucleus. Entire kinetic energy becomes 0. Questions from atoms. Questions from atoms. The questions are not difficult questions. Okay. And we have given weightage from almost all the chapters. So here the weightage is given from about 5 or 6 questions are there. We'll go to that question. 2 electrons are moving in orbits of hydrogen-like atoms with speeds 3 into 10 to the power of 5 and 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5 meter per second. Radii of these orbits are nearly same. Okay, then possible order of energy. So I'm not going to the explanation given in the explanation material. I think somewhat easy way of doing it. Velocity of electron, we might have heard about a formula, C alpha by n into Z. C is a constant. Alpha, C is velocity of light. Alpha is constant, we call fine structure constant. N is the energy level orbit number and Z is the atomic number. Now here, 2 cases of velocities are given. One is 3.8 and other is, okay. So I can say V1 by V2. C alpha is a constant. It will be N2 by N1 into Z1 by Z2. So first equation for velocity, we got the relation V1 by V2 is equal to N2 by N1 into Z1 by Z2. Okay. Then V1 is given to be how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 7. So 3 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by 2.5 into 10 to the power of 5. That comes to be 3 by 2.5. That comes to be 3 by 2.5. That comes to be 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is coming to be N2 by N1 into Z1 by Z2. I want the ratio of N1 by N2. Now, second regarding radius, both have same radius. Both of them, the radii of the orbits are nearly same. And radius formula is what? R0 n square by Z. So I am equating the radii R0 n1 square divided by Z1 is equal to R0 n2 square divided by Z2. Okay, from here we will be getting N1 by N2 whole square. That comes to be, because radius are equal, therefore I equated N1 by N2 whole square. That comes to be Z1 by Z2. Equation number 2. In equation number 2, instead of Z1 by Z2, I am replacing this. What is that? N1 by N2 whole square. Therefore, I have from the equation, this is equation 2. This is equation 3. From equation 2, 6 by 5 N2 by N1 into Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2 is also N1 by N2. This is N1 by N2 whole square. So 6 by 5 is coming to be N1 by N2. And what is asked you, the radii of these orbits are nearly same, then possible order of energy states are there. What are they? First one is 6, second is 5. So this is the answer. Fourth one is the answer. Okay, this is the easiest way of doing it. Easiest way of doing it. Here, I have given a velocity equation in terms of fine structure constant. So that is a convenient way. So answer is 6 and 5. We go to the next question. Tell me, electrons moving in. So this we have done it. So this is explanation part. We come to the second one. Here also, look, maximum wavelength of radiation of energy lambda by 3 by 4. That's a correct option. We can refer 1 by lambda is equal to R into, this is Lyman square, means 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 square. This is a correct option. Then Balmer series lies in the visible region. Anyway, here we accept it as correct because it's not completely invisible region. This is partly invisible region and partly in mostly 90% invisible region. So for practical point of view, we take this as also correct option. Then minimum wavelength of the radiations in fashions, minimum wavelength is maximum energy. What is the transition? 1 by lambda is equal to 1 by R is equal to which orbit? Fashion, that is third one, that is 3 square minus 1 by infinity. That gives you lambda is equal to 9 by R. That gives you lambda is equal to 9 by R. So that option is also correct. So A is correct, B is correct, C is correct. And B, I told you that limitation. Minimum wavelength of Lyman series, that is not. Minimum wavelength of that, everybody remembers it. Minimum wavelength of Lyman series is 1 by R, and that is nearly 912 amp strength. Due to the continuous use, we are remembering it. So that option is wrong. So what options are correct? A correct, B correct, sorry, D is wrong. A correct, B correct, C correct. So this is the one. Fourth one is correct. Okay. We go to the next one. This is explanation I given you in an easy manner. Come on. Alpha particles from target material of atomic number 79. We have to calculate the estimated diameter of the nuclei. So this is a calculation based on distance of closest approach. We have a ready-made formula. At distance of closest approach R0, kinetic energy of, that is, alpha particle stops for a moment and then retraces. So at distance of closest approach, alpha particle stops for a moment and it is reaching maximum close to nucleus. Entire kinetic energy becomes zero. Kinetic energy is converted into electrostatic potential energy. K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Charge of alpha particle 2e. Charge of nucleus is ZD. Isn't it? Okay. Now here Z is given to be 79. And we calculate this mere substitution. All the values are clearly given. This is coming to be 2.88 10 to the power of minus 14 meter. This is distance of closest approach. You know that the radius of nucleus is surely more than that. Surely distance of closest approach is not exactly not equal to the radius of nucleus, but it is a measurable, linear measurable limit of size of nucleus. So we got an idea that is in the order of 2.88 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Surely it is more than that. Surely it is more than that. Now we have to calculate the diameter. diameter will be twice that of the radius. That is coming to be 2 into 2.8. That is 5.76 into 10 to the power of minus 14. 5.76 into 10 to the power of minus 14. So that is the most. I told you it should be even more than that. More than that. Tell me, let me come to the options here, given here. What are the options given? One is 1.69, but this much will not be. It will not be nucleus order. 2.88 radius, this cannot be. This cannot be surely. 5.6 is double the radius distance of close approach. This is the possible value, and this cannot be also the possible value because it should be in the order of 1 to 10 Fermi normally, not more than 10 Fermi. So this answer is also not possible. Then this is the possible answer. Next question. Tell me, energy of an electron in orbit of Bose atom is 0.064. This is energy. E0 is the ground state energy. Then we have to calculate the angular momentum. We know energy of nth orbit is equal to minus E0 by square. Minus E0 by n square. And this is coming to be minus E0 point, what is 0.04? That comes to be 4 by 100. 0.04 means 0.4 by 100 into E0. Minus get cancelled. E0 get cancelled. N square is given to be 100 by 4. That is 25. Or N is coming to be 5. And what is the question asked you? Angular momentum. Angular momentum is an integral multiple of h2 pi. h2 pi, isn't it? Then n is coming to, so we have to calculate what? The L is angular momentum of electron, h is the Planck's constant. Then we have to find the value of 2 pi L by h. This is, n is 5. So we know L is equal to 5h by 2 pi. We have to get what value? 2 pi L. 2 pi L divided by h. 2 pi L divided by h is coming to be 5. So first you get the orbit number, then L is equal to nh by 2 pi. So we want 2 pi L by nh. Then 2 pi by L by h will be is equal to, L is equal to 5h by 2 pi. Therefore, 2 pi into L by h will be 5. So answer is 5, option 2. So explanation is given. So we have given a little bit simple explanation. Then alpha particle of energy 7.1 is bombarded with thin gold foil. Distance of closest approach. The same problem. Second problem is asked about distance of closest approach. Very direct problem. You know, entire kinetic energy is converted into the potential energy. R0 is 1 into 2 z square. Substituting, we are getting distance of closest approach is coming to be 2.95 into 10 to the power of 5 s 2.95. The answer is coming to be 2. Answer is coming to be 2. Second option is given there. Okay.